Once upon a time, in a world where economic struggles were rampant, there existed a secluded retreat nestled deep in the heart of a lush forest. This retreat, known as From Rags to Riches Retreat, held a special promise for those who sought to overcome adversity and achieve financial abundance. One fateful day, a group of individuals from diverse backgrounds arrived at the retreat, each carrying their own burdens and dreams. There was Emma, a single mother who had lost her job and was desperate to provide a better life for her children. Mark, a former corporate executive, had recently experienced a devastating business failure that left him shattered and bankrupt. Lily, a talented artist, struggled to make ends meet and yearned for her creativity to be recognized. As they settled into the retreat, they were greeted by the wise and compassionate retreat leader, David. He had once been in their shoes, but had managed to transform his own life from poverty to prosperity. David believed that true wealth encompassed not just financial success but also personal growth and fulfillment. Over the course of several weeks, the group engaged in workshops, mentorship sessions, and introspective activities that challenged their limiting beliefs and expanded their understanding of wealth. They learned about financial literacy, investment strategies, and the power of mindset. But it wasn't just the practical knowledge that transformed their lives. It was the camaraderie and support they found within the group. They shared their fears, their failures, and their aspirations, creating a safe space for vulnerability and growth. They celebrated each other's successes, offering guidance and encouragement along the way. Through the retreat, Emma discovered her entrepreneurial spirit and launched a successful online business, providing financial stability for her family. Mark, with newfound clarity and determination, founded a social enterprise that created sustainable solutions for communities in need. Lily's artwork, once hidden away, now adorned galleries around the world, bringing her both recognition and financial freedom. Word of the From Rags to Riches retreat spread far and wide, attracting more individuals hungry for change. The retreat became a beacon of hope, drawing people from all walks of life who believed in their own potential to overcome adversity and achieve economic freedom. As the years passed, the retreat expanded its reach, opening branches in different countries and partnering with influential figures who believed in its transformative power. The stories of those who had attended the retreat served as inspiration to countless others, igniting a global movement of individuals seeking to rise above their circumstances and create a life of abundance. And so, the legacy of the From Rags to Riches retreat continued, not just as a place of financial transformation, but as a testament to the indomitable human spirit and the belief that anyone, regardless of their background, could create their own path to success and fulfill their dreams of financial freedom.